What a market we're in. And truly, what a market. I've been selling real estate in Orange County for over 25 years, and I can confidently say that I have not seen a market like this. Generally, when the interest rates go up, the inventory generally goes up as well because there are less number of buyers buying. Therefore, there's going to be pressure on the pricing, and the prices tend to go lower a little bit. Our interest rate has almost doubled compared to early last year and is much higher than what it has been the last 2 or 3 years. Yet the inventory has been lower than what it was before. We have less number of homes for sale in city of Irvine now that we did last year or in the last 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 years even. So, and there is an upward pressure on the pricing. So prices are inching up. What an interesting market. Having said that, let me go over the numbers for month of April. We had total of 176 new listings. That's 51% less than number of new listings in April of 2022. We had total of 225 active listings in April, and that's 37% less than 22 and 46% less than 2021. We had 152 closed sales in April. That's about 61% less than 2021 and 44% less than 2022. So we have less number of homes sold, and that's the headline news, less number of homes sold in April. What we don't look at is that we didn't have enough home. Number of listings were much less than previous years. The average dollar per square foot was at $703. That's about 4.4% less than April of last year. But when you put this in context, we were 28% higher than 2021. Just look at this. In 2 years, at this point, we've had 28% price increase. That's amazing. Inventory monthly supply was at 1.4 compared to 1.3 last year. Again, bear in mind, at these low levels of inventory, we are deep in seller's market. For those who are looking for a home, you see that it's not easy to find a home that you want. But a couple of words of caution here. For those who want to sell their home and they want to wait until they get to the peak prices and then they sell, remember, you could never time the market. The only time you could take the peak is when you passed it, you look back and you say, oh, I wish I would have sold it then. And for the buyers who want to wait for interest rate to go down, again, bear in mind, if and when the interest rate go down, you're going to get a lot more buyers, demand will go higher, and then you're going to have prices increase. So you're going to pay more for the home. A better course of action would be to buy now, and if and when the interest rates go down, refinance at that time.